In the quiet of a summer night, a symphony of chirps fills the air. But have you ever wondered how these tiny creatures produce such loud sounds? Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secret world of cricket communication. Crickets, those small insects that serenade us on warm evenings, have a fascinating method of creating their distinctive chirps. Contrary to what many believe, crickets don't use their mouths to make noise. Instead, they employ a unique technique that involves their wings. The process begins with specialized structures on the cricket's wings. On one wing, there's a row of teeth-like structures called the file. On the other wing, there's a hardened ridge known as the scraper. When a male cricket wants to produce sound, it rubs these two structures together in a process called stridulation. As the cricket moves its wings, the scraper slides across the file, creating vibrations. These vibrations are then amplified by the cricket's wings, which act like natural speakers. The result is the familiar chirping sound we associate with these insects. But why do crickets chirp in the first place? The primary reason is to attract mates. Male crickets are the ones responsible for most of the chirping we hear. They use different types of calls to communicate various messages. There's the calling song, which is used to attract females from a distance. Then there's the courtship song, which is softer and used when a female is nearby. Interestingly, each cricket species has its own unique chirp. The frequency and pattern of the chirps can vary significantly between different types of crickets. This allows females to identify and locate males of their own species among the cacophony of sounds in their environment. The ability to produce sound through wing movement isn't unique to crickets. Many other insects, such as grasshoppers and katydids, use similar methods. However, crickets have perfected this technique to an art form, creating some of the most recognizable insect sounds in nature. The volume of a cricket's chirp is surprisingly loud for such a small creature. Some species can produce sounds up to 100 decibels, which is about as loud as a lawnmower. This impressive volume is achieved through the cricket's efficient sound-producing mechanism in the shape of its wings, which help to project the sound. Temperature also plays a role in cricket chirping. As the temperature rises, crickets chirp faster. In fact, you can use cricket chirps to estimate the temperature. Count the number of chirps in 14 seconds, add 14, and you'll have a rough estimate of the temperature in Fahrenheit. This phenomenon, known as Dolbear's law, demonstrates the close relationship between cricket behavior and environmental conditions. While male crickets are the primary noisemakers, females aren't entirely silent. They can produce soft chirps in response to male calls, although these sounds are much quieter and less frequent than those of their male counterparts. The cricket's ability to produce sound through wing movement is a testament to the ingenuity of nature. This method of communication has evolved over millions of years, allowing these small insects to thrive in various environments around the world. But crickets aren't the only insects with fascinating communication methods. Many other species have developed unique ways to interact with their environment and each other. For example, some moths use ultrasonic clicks to jam bat echolocation, while certain ants communicate through chemical trails. The world of insect communication is vast and varied, with each species adapting to its specific needs and environment. From the buzz of bees to the flash of fireflies, insects have developed an array of techniques to send messages and attract mates. Returning to our chirping crickets, it's worth noting that their sounds serve more than just a reproductive purpose. The chirps can also act as warning signals to other crickets when predators are nearby. Some cricket species even have specific alarm calls that alert their fellows to danger. Human cultures around the world have long been fascinated by cricket sounds. In many Asian countries, crickets are kept as pets for their songs. In some traditions, cricket chirps are seen as good luck or as harbingers of rain. The ubiquity of cricket sounds in warm climates has made them a symbol of summer nights in literature and popular culture. As we listen to the chirps on a quiet evening, we're hearing more than just noise. We're witnessing an ancient form of communication, a delicate balance of physics and biology that has been honed over countless generations. The next time you hear a cricket song, take a moment to appreciate the complexity behind this simple sound. In conclusion, the cricket's ability to produce sound by rubbing its wings together is a remarkable feat of natural engineering. This method of communication, evolved over millions of years, allows these small insects to attract mates, warn of danger, and play a significant role in their ecosystems. From the file and scraper on their wings to the amplification provided by their wing structure, every aspect of the cricket's sound-producing mechanism is finely tuned for maximum effect. As we've seen, the world of insect communication is rich and diverse, with crickets representing just one fascinating example. By understanding these small creatures and their methods of interaction, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and ingenuity of the natural world around us. So the next time you hear a cricket's chirp, remember, you're listening to one of nature's most elegant and effective communication systems in action.